Ayon kay Senator Gatchalian, ang ina ni Mayor Go ay natukoy na at posible din itong Chinese.
Yung mga family business niya, itong si Wen Yi, nandun lahat eh. Consistent nandun si Wen Yi. At yung tinignan namin yung travel records, yung tatay niya, si Go Jong at si Wen Yi traveled 170 times in the span of 6 years. So, madalas silang bumabiyahe as a couple. Based on my investigation and asking around sa kay mga dokumento, personal analysis ko, baka ito yung biological mother. She's Chinese citizen. Based on the Bureau of Immigration records. Galing sa Bureau of Immigration yung yung flight records, Chinese citizen siya. She carries a Chinese passport.
Ito anya ay may epekto sa posisyon ni Go bilang halal na alkalde ng bayan ng Bamban.
In our system, we follow the bloodline. So kung ano yung parents mo, yun ang nationality. Unlike in the US, kung pinanganak ka sa US, regardless of the nationality of your parents, US citizen ka kagad. Ito sa atin is we follow the bloodline. Well, ang legal implication na una-una yung mga documents na ginamit yung kanyang birth certificate. For example, passport niya, hindi na magiging Filipino yung kanyang passport. Yung candidacy niya, because nakasulat doon, are you a Filipino, ang basis niya, yung birth certificate mo, hindi na magiging basis yung kanyang birth certificate. So may mga implications yan along the way. And other documents na ginamitan.
Paniwala din ng senador na maling impormasyon ang binigay ng tatay ni Go sa kanyang birth certificate at hindi lamang ang tatay ni Go ang paiimbitahan sa Senado, kundi pati ang nanay na nagluwal kay Go.
As the chairperson to invite yung parents niya. Of course, ito in line again with expanding our investigation. No? Kasi nga, yung parents niya, or my opinion, parents niya, yung mother niya, is present in all of those corporations. So, kailangan namin malaman saan nanggagaling yung pera na pumapasok dito.
Patunay din daw na nagsisinungaling sa mayor dahil sa unang hearing ay sinabi nito na hindi niya kilala si Sheila Go, pero nadiskubre na may mataas na posisyon sa pamilya.
Hindi, saan kayo napanganak?
Nakita ko po dito sa birth certificate ko po, Hilot.
Hindi ko po tinatanong yung proseso ng papanganak sa inyo. Saan po? Saan pong lugar? Sa Pilipinas, sa Central Luzon, sa Tarlac, o sa Banban? I'll be very honest. Please convince us that you were born in the Philippines, that you are Filipino, and that you are not what people suspect you to be. Dediretsuin ko na po. Kumbinsihin mo kami kasi hindi po pwedeng hindi nyo maalala yung inyong first few years of living na formative years. Para makumbinsi kami because we want to be convinced that all elected officials are Filipinos and not spies of other countries.
Isa pa nakita namin, hindi ko lang dala yung document. Nasabi niya kasi na hindi niya kilala, di ba the first hearing, wala siyang kapatid, hindi niya kilala si Sheila Go. He also saw in the corporate papers na si Sheila Go is their chief financial officer and treasurer of their company. I'll send the group mamaya yung... Si Alice is the president of the company. So it's impossible ako yung presidente ng family business. Si Alice ang chief financial officer and treasurer na hindi kayo magkakilala. So magkakilala talaga sila. It corroborates with the flight records na bumabiyahe silang dalawa. So that alone, she's lying.